Hello, welcome to Roy's Workshop, and today we have a small drip. Priscilla is in bits. Let me show you why. On our last trip, we started leaking some fuel, so we hot-footed it back, and upon further inspection, there's a hole there, hole, and some holes around here. This bit's nice and not holy, and then there's holes around here. There's a big hole there. So we've got a little bit of an issue. Let me show you why. Because of what I do with it. That's what was underneath the tank. Some inner tubes, and this is what we've got. So obviously it's right through there, right through there, right through there, and now we're going to jump in the car, go back to Gee where we bought the roof from, and hopefully find a decent condition tank, because I can't get a new one at the moment. I'm still looking for a new one, and hopefully cut out and this area here, so when I take it back to Blighty I can cut this area out and fit the new part. So I'm going to wander around to see Phil after going to get the other camera, because I want a camera to go inside the tank so I can see what's going on. So we'll see you probably in Gee. Hello and welcome to somewhere near Gee. We're in a scrapyard. This is one that I found. This isn't where I bought the other stuff that I have. This is another one, but there's one 43, there's another 43, that's a 40, this is a 43, that's a 40, and then just down there, that's another 43. That one's been slammed quite hard. This one has a fuel tank. So the difference is that I have, or the problem that I have is 43s have a tank which is directly under the passenger seat. Here it is, just there, whereas 40s, as we have a few available, that's a 43, that's another 43. See how the tank is underneath there, obviously same as mine. That's a 40. If you look on 40s, that's all solid there, and the tank, excuse the camera angle, I know it's poor, is underneath. So that's why it's I need to get this one, and that's why it's a pain in the arse to find. He said come back tomorrow, but I want to get it out now. If we need to get another one out, I probably will have to come back tomorrow, but I'd rather do it now. Here he is, my friend from Sudan.
From Sudan. My name is Abdul Wahab.
Abdul
Wahab. Abdul Wahab. From Sudan.
Fantastic. Salam alaikum. Kif hal? Good, good.
Fine.
ايوه.
هذا علي. Bangladesh.
From
My country Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
Near me. There's one.
When?
Yeah. So the seat's now gone. And we're taking off all the fuel pipes. Hopefully. Can you see? Oh yeah, YouTube.
Oh, YouTube?
Inshallah. Good.
Yes.
مشكلة.
مشكلة.
أيوة.
This tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Come in here.
Okay.
Okay.
tomorrow.
I'm at work tomorrow. Can you get me a fuel tank? I need a good fuel tank.
Okay, no problem.
No
Okay.
problem. Okay.
So sadly that was a bust. But he said come back tomorrow because I've shown him the piece that I want cutting out. We'll come back tomorrow and hopefully he'll have a good one. And he said that in some of the sheds, just over there, you can see the roofs of the sheds. He said in there they might have a good one. So I'll come back tomorrow. Unfortunately, these things happen. I want to get Priscilla going for the weekend. But hey, we'll catch up with you tomorrow. So it's the day after the previous day, which was yesterday, so it's now today, and tomorrow from yesterday. Yeah, we're here again. Apparently he's got the tank out, which is fantastic. My camera's on, that's good. I thought I'd show you what else is here. Dodgy Dodge.
Hello.
Salam. Hey, good, how are you? Good, Mia. 60 series, maybe? 100 series, I think. I have a friend in the UK who has one of these with the, I think it's a 4.2 diesel in it. We called it the Beast, or he called it the Beast, and we used to compete up in Scotland. Well, we used to compete all over the UK with the Barmer Boys, the British Army Motorsports Association, and he fitted a super turbo to his diesel, and back Christ, that thing went well. Fantastic car, and I don't know if it's still on the road or not. I hope it is, because what a car. Anyway, 60 series. This is for Callum. Obviously he's got one of these. All the ones here are the 4-speed petrol. Same carb as what me and Phil run. That's quite a nice one actually. This one's quite neat. Mercury, a couple of Toyota pickups. Chevy van, LS. Ooh. Another pickup, another Land Cruiser GMC, all sorts of stuff. But obviously we've come here for the fuel tank and a couple of other odds and sods and dinner. So we'll hopefully try and track down the fuel tank. I have no idea where it is. I've just started meandering around. Terrible dry cough. A couple of Grand Marquis, which are nice. I really like I'd like a Marauder, which is the sporty version of these. Here's the car we were with last night. Murphy Quace, no good. Yeah, so we'll try and track down the fuel tank and I'll show you when I see it, and then hopefully he's cut out. Actually, that's a good point. We could check, couldn't we, if he's cut out. This one, I don't know which one he's cut it out of. It's not that one. Oh, he's got the tank out of this one. Oh, he's taking the drain plug out. Why is he taking the drain plug out? Oh, that feels good. Fuel sender, I've got a new one anyway, and this is the same as mine with the 3 vent pipes. What I'll do is I'll probably rub this down and give it a... I probably will. I should. There's the pickup. All of this is just surface rust. Ah, thank goodness for that. Yeah, quite happy. Perfect. Hopefully, I don't know where the drain plug is. Although I do have a... Obviously I've got mine, and I do have some new seals for the bottom, so... But yeah, good, happy, or happier. We need a pair of these for Phil's car, so we'll have a look for some decent ones. Actually, they look alright. Right, good, I'm happy. I've found a tank, so we'll be able to go to the desert tomorrow, hopefully. Right, I'll bugger off for a moment. I think we're going to have tea. I'll show you that. Yeah, thank goodness for that. I hate having cars off the road. This morning, actually, I may as well tell you whilst we're here, I came out to go to work. Actually, discovered in the park next to Priscilla, and I said one of the tyres, the drive side tyre, was a little bit soft, no problem. But also next to it, I saw a small pool of coolant. 2 puddles either side of the radiator, so I think one of the plastic pipes has rubbed through and it's weeping. But we'll see. Hopefully it is just that.
Hello.
Phil's here.
Hi.
Moral support.
No.
So yeah, so that's roughly where we're at. Discovery's off the road. Phil kindly lent me the dodgy dodge this morning to go to work, and that's what we've come again in today. Doing its usual thing of attracting knobheads. Granted, that was mine. I might have flicked him the bird.
It's just not a very nice person, are you?
Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Lessons were learned. Anyway, we'll stop this. We're going to film. We're going to have tea. We're going to go and get a cab, sir.
Yes.
Once we agree a price, and have a look for some bumpers for you.
Yes.
As we're here, he hasn't cut out any of the 43. None of the 43s are missing that panel that I wanted out.
Okay.
So I think what we might do. I don't need it now.
No.
I need it when we leave.
Yes. Yes.
So I think one of the guys has a battery grinder, doesn't
Yep.
he? So I think we'll just come out. Zoot, 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 zoot.
Thank you.
Grab a whole load of spares to go back to Blighty. And fit them because that's what we need. Right, we'll catch up with you in a bit. Ciao.
Oh, and guess what?
What?
I am going full Saudi.
Oh mate, you make me sick. So we found a problem. You might be able to see them. This is loose. So he's taken this tank out. Inside it looks okay. I don't know how well you can see it. No. It looks okay. I mean, I was going to obviously fit a new fuel filter anyway. I'll grab a couple hopefully later on. But this needs to be repaired. At the moment, he's wanting he keeps saying, annoyingly, he keeps saying 4,000, which is 800 pounds. And bear in mind, I can import a brand new one for less than that from America. Yeah. No.
In fact, I could buy a full parts car for that.
You probably could, so yeah. But yeah, looking at the others, all the others seem okay. Yeah. So at the moment, we're going to be going through the negotiation stages.
Genuinely hope that he's about less than 500.
Oh yeah,
Especially if it's water.
Yeah. Well, it's yeah. So that needs to be raised. The other ones are okay. They seem okay. But that one, and I think that was quite a major one.
That looks like
it's cracked all the way around. That is the only bit that's. Nice, yeah. What we could do is just bend the end over and just seal it.
Just tack over the top of it.
Because this is when obviously that's generally only used when we're filling it up. But it's got these three vents here, and it'll be coming up here because this is never full. So we shall see. But I do want it really. No.
4,000, we're not even having tea.
4,000, we're going home.
Stay for tea, no.
Yeah. Also.
I might take this off him. Shiny.
Oh, it's loose as well.
Doesn't fit, but it generally doesn't fit. It's too.
Oh yeah.
The holes are too.
Oh, it's those shiny ones that we saw with they meant to have the metal clip there. The thing is, brake, slaves like master cylinder, slaves and the servos are available.
Brand
new.
Might be China copies, but they work. They operate.
Well, we have them.
They're better than the.
Yes. Transfer box and gearbox. Right, we're going to go and find him and carry on the negotiations.
Did he just negotiate and walk away?
I don't think it was a negotiation. I think it was more a statement of fact.
Was that a negotiation walk away where he's letting you think about it?
Oh, is he playing the hard game?
Is that what you think? That's not a hard game. That's just nice.
He said no. Just saying that we said.
I do like it.
I'm not going to say it. Go on.
Nope.
What? Go on.
The doors on the rear of this vehicle.
You want his back doors?
I was trying to say I do like his back door, yeah. It's not as crispy as mine.
Right. Ooh. Come for a wander, do another workshop. Fuck is what we're doing.
That's my boy.
It's a lovely.
My boy.
It's a lovely. كيف هذا؟
هذا this is my boy is بريطانيا. عنده لده تانك.
So we made it back, nice and successfully. We had dinner. I don't really film dinners. I don't really like filming whilst I'm eating, or whilst I'm certainly with others. It's more of a you have to be there feeling. Really good. But fantastic meal, bloody great, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was, chicken was, everything was great. Nice ride back for a change.
Never trouble.
Yeah. Bought some fuel filters for the tank, but we'll show that in the next episode of Roy's Workshop. We're gonna practice what we're gonna with a hookah, shisha, and because we're gonna hopefully we'll take this with us on our next trip. But we're gonna a little bit more practicing before we do that, and it's a good way to finish off. Apple flavour if you're that worried. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Stay safe out there. We'll catch up with you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
Goodbye.